Boy, what it is, what it ain't, you dig? It's your boy Milk, man. I'm back with another one, you dig? Oh, shit. God damn, hold up. Shit, bro. Oh my God, I almost died. Oh my God. But anyway, bro, back with another. So before I get into the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like button already, you dig? So in this video right here, man, I will be installing my lights. You know what I'm saying? Let me see. Oh, there you go. Y'all already know right now, I don't have them at the brightest because, you know what I'm saying, I'm real people, man. You dig? But anyway, I'm adding more lights up there, you know what I'm saying, so it can have a little twinkle, you know what I'm saying. Then you have like the shooting stars, you know what I'm saying. Then I'm gonna let Cuzzo do the design, let them go crazy on it, so it can be like a little freestyle. So just stay tuned. And before I even cut off the camera, I want to say, hey, I love y'all, appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for getting me to 900. You know what I'm saying? Without y'all, my channel would not grow. And make sure you guys watch the whole video. But let's get into this action. Let's go. Oh yeah, man. Most of the stuff that we do to my car, we actually do it ourselves. You know what I'm saying? You did. So I'm giving y'all a heads up, bruh. Mod your own car, especially like little stuff like the rail. Unless you just don't want to, and you got the funds. You know what I'm saying? To go ahead and do your let somebody else do it. I mean, because right now, like I told y'all in my other videos, I'm learning how to tint, I'm learning how to rap, and watching different people do it, bro, that shit is so easy, dog. So these what lights come in, you dig? You feel me? Check them out. I knew you were check them out, check them out, check them out. Cleared them. You know he punished them.
Well, they didn't play that.
Ooh, in the bad dead. Yeah, so that's how they look right here. I think these are twinkles or the shootings, but this plus this right here only goes about 950, 940 in that range. You did. Just want to show you guys that. Walk to the store real quick, bro. I need a little snack. I don't need no big meal right now, bro. If I eat a big meal, I ain't gonna want to do nothing. I just gotta work too. Hey, bro, for real though. I don't want to let y'all know. I appreciate y'all. I can't lie to you. You did. I'm about to hit a 1K sub. I've been grinding my ass off. But anyway. Let's see what I want to eat in this mother. See, this what I usually do right here. I usually be fat and get a Debbie cake. I ain't gonna do that right now. Oh, man. But then what I am gonna do, you know what I'm saying? I will get that. On that bad boy. Please be in here. Ain't nothing in here. Man, god dang. Turning it back on. This is my when I'm about to work around snack, something I can already taste, you feel me? That nigga put, man. Hey, let me tell y'all, boy, there's some drama at the shop today. But I ain't gonna be missing. I'm gone. As you can tell, yeah, new day, new scene, you know what I'm saying? Top missing, who that? But anyway, I want to take y'all down to what I experienced this past weekend. So, I whipped my dogs, you know what I'm saying? Fast life, you know what I'm saying? Bit fat life. Then, I'm just gonna take y'all down through the weekend, man. Hope y'all enjoyed these couple clips till we get right back to work. Yeah, man. Holla at y'all. Oh my God, no way. Ah! Boy, this some good ass feel here. Let me get out your face. Got a leak dog, Matt. Good west side action. Oh! Ah! Ugly ass. Y'all for the lube, huh? It's some good ass.
I got too much torque for this wet ass road.
Dumbass, these some basils. Look at that basils. Nigga racing in the rain. Look at that foot. Turn that back foot, dog. Turn that back foot, dog.
Scared of me.
Fucking simple, cuz.
Fuck nigga scared of me though, cuz.
So simple.
And I'm finna smoke his stupid ass.
Nah, it's too fucking fast.
Look, he just brushed his feet off. I'm talking about, I'm out there bitch shaking like a stripper at Magic City on a Monday. You hear me?
Get set, go!
I'm fat, you know what I'm saying? It's on the tube, you feel me? Big J Nasty crew with the gang, you know what I'm saying? He did. I don't want to put her on camera. I can't put her on camera. Hey there. Look at J, y'all. Ooh, the camera 5. Bit where you hear me? Oh, no.
That dope by eyes, 24 carries. Alright, she in the kitchen now. So leave her alone.
On my life,
Hey, man. Fat life.
30 yards, we can race for whatever. 30 yards, we can race for whatever.
Check him out. That boy out the house.
Hey, he said 100. You quiet now. He said
100, 30, we can race for whatever, 30 yards.
$100.
Hey, I know you hit it.
I gave T-Ray some tips.
Yes, sir.
I missed a couple pieces. But nah, man. It's the first of the process right here. Y'all don't mind my boy. He ain't got no energy right now.
Out of there.
But nah, this is what you basically do, man. You got on hook clips, well, behind these little clips right here, these screws. Unscrew all that, get all that gone. Then you gotta take these off right here, these two. Take all that off. So basically, once you screw them off, pop them off. Same goes from back here too. And once everything hooks, like on this side right here, for example, that thing gonna pop out. You hear me? What's your name?
What's my trade?
Yeah, you did everything. Snap on, snap off. Simple, man. You just got passed by the sailor man back there. So Everything gonna come down even. You gotta take this off. Don't you gotta take this off?
Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta take that off too.
That's it.
So everything gonna be in the shop pretty soon. Just give me y'all little updates while I can. Recording on my phone right now. You did come on. Camera is charged, but this
Y'all need a gas card?
bit, man. Put my
That bit was in the back.
man. You worried about the wrong thing.
I ain't know this was yours.
You supposed to be touching roof, nothing but ceiling. But bro, this how I look. This like, it's the first time. Be real. First time, but we stayed up. This be like 1 o'clock in the morning. You got to be done 1 o'clock. We started at 5. You can get done at 1 o'clock in the morning, bro. That's only 500. So I know I ain't gonna have my roof back until about Friday. Ain't the right thing.
What?
I ain't gonna have my roof back until Friday.
Probably Monday. I'm doing something hard to it. See what I'm saying? He told me just do whatever, so I'm gonna do whatever to it. Stage Customs, come tap in. I'm gonna have you right. Follow gravity's on fucking with me.
Ooh, hey, boy, you look so good on this camera, son.
Like his nose.
Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. Yes, sir, that's how I look. And now you did real fast, you know what I mean? So, that's how I'm finna be driving around, y'all. Just let y'all know. Just like this right here. Until he's done. Quick update. You know what I'm saying? He be doing it while I be at home and sleep, bro. Like, I know he be tired. He be doing other stuff on the side too at the same time. So I ain't gonna be able to catch everything he do. But I know what he do because the first time we ever did it, it's on my page. I'm gonna drop that below just in case you guys like need a full walkthrough of what we did. But right now, he plugged in the first set of everything, most definitely. This is the second set. And I think these are the shooting stars or the twinkles. But I just want to give you guys a quick update on it, that you guys see it, how everything works. Cause it's very time consuming, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, let's get back to it. Yo, man, you did. Oh, you look so cool in that thing. I was finna say you look cute. But anyway. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, lollipop. Look at the work, man. Hey, I ain't gonna put your business out, but somebody told me how much you made at work by your last week, bro.
What's talking about?
Yeah, so you had overtime, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
1,500.
Ooh. That boy.
Sex with me, so
I'm drying hard at women. Somebody 6. Look at here. Hey, tell him. Tell them. I don't like to say the N word, but tell them fella what you said in the group chat today, bro. Big Mac.
I'm at the shop.
Yeah. J Neil, Quid, Flock.
Who the fuck is Flock?
Ooh. I'm telling you, y'all said a little Nick most. He said a little sassy something. What's up, Lee dog?
Hey.
What the fuck? Look at T-Ray gonna stop what he talking about.
Look at that fight.
There we go. Look, yo, put it down. Yo. Go ahead, yo. Look at that leg. Wait, about to break his bite.
Get his ass home, boy.
He tired. He really tired. Both of them.
I got you.
All that talking, man. No, big fly on this bitch, man. With the glove. With the glove.
Stop the rain for real.
Put the glove on.
Put my shit on.
Knock out.
Oh, come in and stand in that.
Check him out. Yeah. Check him out. They got a dog doodle on his boot. Ah. Yeah, put him on, huh?
Put him on.
Check him out.
Yeah. Hey, but you ain't watching no car. Well, nigga, you see what time it is.
Let's go! Let's do it! What's going on? Ooh, you taking it? Take it off.
Yes, sir. You done heard what the nigga said?
Lord, stop.
Boy, that nigga, boy.
Oh, you feel me? I'm finna go in real quick, go get a cut. You dig? Man, I look rough. I ain't had no cut in about 2 weeks, shawty. You dig? I be roughing it out. Real gangster. But now, I'm gonna turn back on the camera when I walk back out this motherfucker. Yeah, man. Yes, sir. Yeah, you feel me? You dig? You check me out. You dig? You understand me? What the fade? You know what I'm saying? That's a medium fade. You did have to cut the facial hair down. That bit was getting out of control a little bit. You know what I'm saying? But other than that, I'm feeling myself. You did not talk to wash the hair, brush, wave. You already know what I'm saying? I'm a little light little wave. I ain't no big heavy wave, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, let me start tugging your ear off. Let's get it.
Yup. That's gonna be the end of the video, man. Y'all already know. I'm gonna show y'all the stars at the end because we're still working on it. You know what I'm saying? He gave it to Monday, and I'm not rushing because this is a custom job. I'm just letting him freestyle and do his thing on it, man. But I hope you enjoyed the video, man. I'm bringing you, like I said, different elements of my life, bring you into my friends and family. You know what I'm saying? How my personality really is outside the cars, you know what I'm saying? But appreciate all the love and support and you guys, man. About to hit 1K subscribers. So for 1K subscribers, y'all help me get done. I'm gonna do a burnout, I'm gonna roast my tie, I'm gonna slang it around. Y'all know I don't like doing that, but for you guys, I would do it, you know what I'm saying? That's gonna be one of the top things I do, so I can go and get some more tires. Cause right now I do have a nail in my tire and I can't replace it, I can't patch it or nothing. So until the next video, man, I appreciate all the love and support. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you drop your thoughts below. You dig? It's your boy Melt, and I'm out of here. You're